Hey friends, if you encounter error code 0x8004dedc on OneDrive in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the speed of the internet. All you need to do is open any browser and go to fast.com. Okay, hit enter and check the internet speed here. Is it good enough? If yes, then proceed to the next solution. If it is not good enough, then that's where we know the root cause of our problem. The second solution is to disable proxy. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inet cpl.cpl and hit enter. And then you can go to the connections tab and then click on LAN settings. Check the box associated with automatically detect settings and uncheck the box associated with proxy server. And lastly, perform a network reset. So why am I recommending a network reset over other solutions like flushing the DNS, resetting WinSock, etc., etc.? Because all of these network related solutions are carried out with one single switch, which is network reset. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab. On the list on the right hand side, select advanced network settings, select network reset, and then finally click on reset now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.